If you want to learn how to draw this type of female hair called locks, then you are in the right place. Hello lovelies, welcome once again. In this video I'll show you how to draw female locks. It's a very simple step, just follow along. When it comes to drawing hair, a lot of people tend to find it a bit difficult. When I was also a beginner, I can tell you that I really struggled with drawing hair. I mean any type of hair, braids, locks, straight hair, curly hair. In fact, I didn't want to draw hair at all. But I discovered now that drawing hair is actually very simple. And the secret is just to identify a pattern in the hair that you are trying to draw. I mean from your reference photo, there is always a pattern. Just observe. That is why it is very important. Whether you are drawing eyes, nose, whatever you are drawing, observe your reference photo closely and you can identify a pattern. And then once you discover the pattern, it's easy for you to replicate it while you are drawing. What I'm going to be showing you in this video is a quick and easy way to draw the female locks, as you are seeing. So it's as simple as ABC, no wasting of time. So the first step is to draw the outline of your locks. So you can do that with a graphite pencil, just two basic lines. The lines don't have to be straight. Then the next step is to start drawing the hair strands on both sides of the line that you have drawn. So you notice that the strands that I'm drawing, the lines that I'm drawing are not straight. So you don't want to draw straight lines, just make the lines bent. And the next step is to start drawing circles, start doing circular motions over the drawing. So you want to draw circles upon circles. This will help you create the rough texture of the locks, and then you can go over with a brush to blend that in. Then what I've done with the graphite pencil, I'm going to do with a charcoal pencil. This is just to darken what I already have. So it's just the same step. Draw the hair strands, which I'm doing on both sides of the line. Then do circular motions. Then blend. So this is just the simple process that you want to follow. Draw the hair strands, go over, circular motions, then blend. So that's the drill. Then I'm going to be going over with an electric eraser just to create a few highlights on the locks. And then the very last step is to draw flyaway hairs. So if you have seen a lock before, you know that locks are always very rough, and that's where the beauty is. So you can't fully draw a realistic locks without drawing the flyaway hairs. So that's that for drawing the locks. I hope you've learned one or two things. So I'm just doing the second example for people who don't have a charcoal pencil. You can just do it with your graphite pencil. So it's just the same process. I started by just even drawing circular motions on the outline of my drawing, and then trying to get in the hair strands too. Then I blend with a brush. Then I just went in with a darker grade of pencil, of graphite pencil. So I'm just going to finish the rest of the drawing. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope you've picked one or two things. So I'll see you in my next video. Bye.